The kit assembly form allows you to create and view kit assembly documents. To create a new record, click on the plus, or to view an existing record, click on the reference number. In the type field, select the type of operation to be performed for this kit. You can select the following options: production or disassembly. A reference number will automatically be generated according to the numbering sequence assigned to the kit assembly on the inventory preferences form. The status shows the current status of the kit assembly. The following options are available: on hold, balanced, and released. Enter the date when the kit assembly or disassembly occurs. In the inventory ID, select the kit by using the magnifying glass or directly typing into the inventory ID box. The kit specifications will automatically pre-fill fields such as revision, description, locations, unit of measures, quantities, and the stock components and non-stock components. In the quantity field, enter the quantity of the kits that you wish to assemble. The quantities within the stock and non-stock components tab will automatically update as required. Click Save and click Release if you want to release the kit assembly.